Yeah, I'm refinishing and restoring my kitchen cabinets because everything's on the halt. I try to keep myself busy as possible, where you wait for the paperwork and everything to unfold. So it gave me time to catch up, uh, take care of some stuff that I had been putting off for years. You know what I mean? So what I'm gonna do is today I'm gonna do 3 layers. This is the first layer right here. Stainless steel, spray paint, and the refinishing for the wood. I had to, clean the rust down, all that. I mean, little rust, not a lot, but I had to clean that stuff down. And sometimes, like I say, mopping, when you mop over a period of time towards the bottom, of the legs, they get kind of rusted. And I had to sand some of the wood now, to get that together. I'm not a professional. This is not my expertise, but I see a lot of things, on YouTube and, also, other suggestions.